Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with quick, high-impact checks so you don't waste time. First, make sure the charger, cable, and power source are known good. A faulty adapter or frayed cable is the most common culprit. Once done, clean and realign the magnetic charger to the back of the watch so contacts meet. If the screen remains black, perform a forced restart by holding the digital crown and side button together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary software hangs. Next, focus on whether the watch is receiving power and whether software is stuck. Put the watch on a known good charger for at least 30 minutes. You should see the charging symbol within about 5 minutes, which confirms battery acceptance. If there's still nothing, test an alternate cable and adapter or try a different power source to isolate the hardware. Once charged, connect the watch to your iPhone and inspect the watch app for unpaired status, failed updates, or an interrupted restore. Those explain many no-boot scenarios. For final steps, move into advanced recovery and repair options when simple fixes fail. If the watch won't pair or finish booting, use Apple's recovery or DFU procedures via Apple Configurator on a Mac or follow Apple support guidance to reinstall Watch OS. This resolves deep software corruption. If the watch still won't power, arrange service. Battery replacement, connector repair, or water damage work may be needed. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.